You're up. You feel fast, but you look slow. It's a big problem. Bob Barker. Now, this is the true Bob Barker. We found him.
Found Bob.
He is Bob. We found Bob. Wait, what? Bro. I've seen some Bobs. But that's the Bob. That is Bob.
That's the Bob.
The Bob Barker. All right, yo, we out. You ready, man? You ready, man? You ready, man? Hey, Barker, you need a ride? Yo, you need a ride? Come on, man. I'm sick of waiting for you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's still... Oh! That was dangerously close. Ryan, what are you doing? Ryan ditched us. He was riding bitters with us this morning. Welcome to the vlog. Ryan Anderson, 463.
463. That's
at Ryan Anderson 463. Pound it. He was just riding pit bikes with us. If anybody's getting a new dirt bike, Can-Am, quad, ski, whatever, Ocean County's Power Sports, Toms River, New Jersey, you're a salesman, right?
I'm a salesman.
He's a salesman. Got his own office. He's all pretty.
Should I get my 110 out?
What?
And ride? Are you guys riding out here?
We were just about to go back. Thing like that.
Jump, bro. I wish I got that on camera.
I got it. It was pretty cool.
He did?
Pretty cool. He jumped.
The guy with the truck.
He jumped in the berm. He jumped in the berm. The berm back there.
He apparently like travels all over the country or something.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I'll never see him again. Really,
Fueled by haters.
You'll never see him again. I've never been into the whole mud thing. My sister's boyfriend is.
I mean, if you're on that level, fuck yeah, dude.
It's
I'll
like a
do that.
$100,000 truck or something.
You think so? That's what I'm saying. If anybody knows what something like that is worth, let us know.
I think I'd beat it in my Tundra, but
beat him in the Tundra. You ready to head back to Bob Barker's?
yeah.
All right, get on. Before I make you walk more.
Oh, that's where's your bike?
I don't have a better. I have an XR8, but I don't want to.
All right, Ryan. See you later, bro. Bob Barker. All right, so we're having another Grandpa Corey freak out. What's happening currently in your head? You look like a fluffy monster. You really look like you.
I think it's gonna be a ban of nicks from around here.
A band of
Dude, you look like a fluffy monster.
Then he touched me with that fucking gasoline.
gas can. My gas.
Now I fucking smell it.
I have a gassy hand. That's okay.
Hands.
Yo, G, what are you doing over here,
Trying to
bro?
figure this
Yeah.
dumb shit the fuck out.
I want to slam it on.
Yo, somebody
try to
just
slam it
fucking Muay Thai that shit on there. This ain't gonna happen.
I don't know. I remember doing this way fucking simple. Like this shit was easy.
He's like, yeah, it was easier 10 years ago. Look at this guy. That's funny.
No, you're not.
All right, so
We'll do one side at a time.
let me yank one of them fitters out. Eric's got it. Eric's the master at the tires, bro. Yeah, now bite that inside one. I see what Eric's doing.
Oh shit.
Because you really you can't like worry about scratching the rim too much. I know it's gonna like hurt to see, but you're gonna nick it a tiny bit doing it. Got a sharp.
Another
got a
pry bar in there.
That's what I mean. You need.
There's another pry bar
We'll
behind.
just do one side at a time. No, do you have like that lube again?
Well, we were using fucking.
Windex. What did we use that one time, Eric?
Yeah, that's why you on the
It's
foot.
like PB blast.
Oh, there's only one.
No, there's another spoon. Remember, I did my pit bike tire that one day. Yeah, no, that's a fucking chipping gum bit. Where'd you get that guy from?
That's from.
Holy cow, that's from
Jesus.
Dude, is that what they dug the pyramid foundations with?
What about that flat with that screwdriver or whatever? The long one sticking in the side of the toolbox.
Look at this guy wearing Luke's hoodie.
My hoodie.
Let's shout out Luke's hoodie in the video right now.
Shirt. Show him your shirt.
You want me to show him my shirt?
They lit up on it.
Bro, this is A Sharpie, bro. Straight up Sharpie. That's it. Windex. Somebody's gonna be watching this video and be like, these guys are fucking retarded.
Straight retards.
Straight.
You go on YouTube, watch somebody. All they do is just sit here and push this bitch on.
We might be a little incompetent here.
I don't fix it.
I'm not a mechanic.
Yeah, I put some work in these past couple days.
Yeah, you do.
Now you're gonna need one for over here.
I deserve to sit here and
Yo,
vlog
there
and
is
watch.
no video of a
I'm gonna watch the
CRF-110
mayhem.
shift shaft. We should have put that shit on there. How to video.
And that was easy.
Mhm.
Straight slate work. My bike's just sitting out in the rain and I don't even. So,
I was gonna say,
it's
so
just
your foot's
sliding,
lit.
but yeah,
It just
it's
keeps
going
going
back.
back.
it ain't, bro, you ain't literally ain't getting nowhere.
Yeah, dude, I feel like it took us like 20 minutes back in the day.
You guys were young guns.
Yeah.
You guys were young guns. George, what were you packing?
What was I packing?
Yeah, back in the.
half.
Oh,
You
right.
want to see it?
This guy came in hot in the middle.
Start a fans only real quick.
Fans only.
Subscribe.
I have one too.
$20 a month. 20 for month.
What do you do on
He
there?
needs to do something. You know, got
It's
no
like,
job.
yo, you pull up the OnlyFans, it's fucking pit bike videos.
Jerks off for a bunch of older dudes.
That's all day.
Oh my god.
Listen.
Yeah, you gotta get that out.
Yeah, settle down. It's staying in too. Yeah, it's staying in.
that.
Yeah, the only video we got of Cameron is like
Come
one
shut
little
video.
pit bike turn and a girl grinding on him that he doesn't even remember.
What the fuck, dude?
No pit bike
Because
videos.
this guy, we're not friends anymore.
Because nobody really knows the inside scoop about Cameron. I don't really want to get into it right now. That's what he wants to do, is sleep.
No, I need a new bike.
Yeah, he needs a new bike.
Yeah, your
whole
bike's-
new-
Oh yeah, this is Eric,
bikes.
by the way. You guys
I'm
can meet
waiting for your
Eric.
front end.
Yo, you know, Eric actually, Eric's a cool guy. Eric rides the same bike as me. Where'd the L go? I thought the L was gonna be sitting right here. The L tricked me. It's right here. Eric and I ride the same bike. 450L. It's a beautiful bike. Beautiful big bike. He's got that nice Pro Circuit. You said you like the Pro Circuit, right?
Yeah.
Better than the Yoshi?
Absolutely.
He likes it better than Yoshi. I have the Yoshi on mine. But it's looking mint. I love how that Pro Circuit looks. And there goes Cameron riding someone else's pit bike again. Yo! There he goes. So this is the Tice compound. Performance tuning. This is our spot pretty much. The track in the back. Got a big pit back there. Track back here. It's a fun spot. Cameron's out playing on the pit bike track. Ew, look at these KLX bars. Whoever puts these on pit bikes, I don't like
Good for
you.
little kids.
So, you still trash or did you get better?
That's not how this works, man.
It's not how this works, Mom. It's not how this works. Get off.
They're making fun of people, man. We're buddies. We're buddies.
We're buddies, he said. This is a
Cut.
This is a crazy system we got going on here. Sheesh. Even when you get that over, yeah, it's gonna
Good things about this. Said right there.
It's a booter. Boot scoot. What do you think about that, Bob Barker? I booted that one.
Barks, mom.
Bro, that was a little sketchy. Do it again. Oh yeah, that's a great. I don't have time for what?
Are you serious?
He wants to ride, and he says he doesn't have time for the gas station.
It's gonna rain.
See that orange light?
Oh yeah.
G said it has a fuel light.
Tell me how badass this, yo, this 2021 is. Yeah. What, I just tried to buy it. I tried to hand it back.
Alright, bro. Let's go show the vlog the track.
Nobody will sell it.
guy just cased the step up hard as hell. Swirling, swirling, swirling. Into the roller. Into the triple downhill. Why are you ripping, bro? Where are you going? This berm is so fun. This little uphill double. He ain't gonna hit it though. Ready? Loser. That was weak. Cameron's weak. This is his first day out riding in probably 2 months. And he thinks he's the shit. Look at him go. Alright. Oh, there's the fuel light again. And we're back to no fuel. We have about 10 fuel cans in the shed and not one of them has fuel in it. Corey goes, I have diesel fuel. Yeah, we'll just load the pitters up on diesel. Alright, I'm gonna follow you. Get it, come on. Oh, and he's got some skill. And he sent it. Where are you going? Okay, he's got a little style today. He's really feeling himself. Okay. Scrub, hurrah. See what everyone's got going on up here today. Alright, I'm officially out of fuel.
I told him I had someone to flip on the 2028.
Exactly, so you already want tires then.
I really need tires. And he was like, okay. Now, do these tires fit on my old rims?
Where Corey goes? You swapping his tires on?
I don't know. I
That's
don't
what-
know out there on the place.
You got a new one.
No, they won't fit.
Yeah, so this is my boy. Let's introduce everybody. Now, formally, this is my boy Devin.
Don't get me
G.
started.
Devin's buddy, what's your name?
Right.
Let me live. Oh, the spot up.
TDI.
Wait, shout out to who got him? Who got him for
Man,
you?
my man TDI.
Devin's got the plugs, by the way. Everybody knows Devin's got the plugs. Corey needed some new tires with some actual beef on them because he's a swirly cat. Oh, let's show him what we're working with here. How does your thumb feel? Do you have arthritis in your right thumb yet?
Yeah.
Ready? We got a pitter with a damn thumb throttle on it. Hold on. This goes against the motocross book of rules.
It's not mine.
It's his. He's a weird ass quad guy. Yo, where's Corey at? Let's go find his bitch ass. His ankle's broken. What are you doing in here? Where is he? He's not even in here. Oh, for any of you cats who don't really know, these are guinea hens and they're in the garage. What are you guys doing today? There they go. The white one's the female, so they all guard her. The darker one's the boyfriend, so he'll fight them if they fuck with her.
And he'll fight us if they
And
fuck.
he'll fight us if we fight them. The white one likes going on the roof. On the roof. Where's Claire?
Where's Cara?
Where's Claire?
Where's Cara?
Where's Claire? Look at him go. Look at him go. We're marching with him, bro. Yo, you out of here? That's the gang, bro. That's the gang.
Dog, straight raw dog, fall dog, call dog, saw dog, fog bug, sold off. Chris Garcia. Chris Garsamino.
Chris Garthol.
Chris Garsamino.
Oh wait, yo, there's a good Halloween costume. Look at this rider. Who's the rider behind the mask? The string's a little stretched out. That string is tired as hell, yeah. That's the OG original fucking fifth. Yeah, no, definitely pin fifth. This guy's smoking darts, man. You know what we got here? Trump 2020! Trump 2020! Trump 2020, baby!